Show you how to fold up one of these pop-up macro photography diffusers. These are probably the cheapest and most common diffuser you can get. Just pop out and unfold. It just basically just mounts over your lens and blocks the light, sort of diffuses it over your subject, ant, bee, whatever on a flower, and cuts down the glare on your photography. But sometimes they're sort of aggravating to put back together into the case. The most common way people try to grab them and just fold them up, and they don't want to go back together very well. But usually the easiest way, you can always grab them on the sides, just one good twist, and it'll roll back together like that. And then put it back into your case, and then you're good to go. These are easy to deal with, easy to carry because they're flat, you can stick in a bag, whereas the diffusers like these, which work great, especially this one, say over this type of diffuser, these spread out the light really well, but they can be just a little bit aggravating. But that's all you need to do to fold it back up. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.